A Lightboard is an innovative tool for online teaching. Let me show you how it works. So a lightboard is a piece of glass that's pumped full of light all the way around the edges. Fluorescent markers are used to create highly visible content. I'm going to share with you today 5 reasons why you might consider trying a lightboard in your online classes. Number 1, it helps you to maintain the naturalness of the physical classroom. Taking a standing posture, making eye contact with your students, and gesturing naturally as you lecture allows you to maintain your classroom style. Number 2, lightboarding allows you to create a really personal feel in your online classes. This setup is highly conducive to creating a natural link between the teacher, the student, and the content, creating the atmosphere of a live lecture, inviting your students to join you in your thought process as you provide a detailed explanation of the content. You're able to face students directly without having to turn your back on them as you would with a whiteboard. Also, you're not confined to a small box in the bottom corner of the screen as you are in a screencast. Number 3, a lightboard allows you to elevate the student experience online by creating a rich tool set for them to use. The immersive presentations you create will be engaging for your students to view and easy for them to understand. Videos captured with a lightboard are perfect for the flipped or hybrid classroom, where students are expected to review the content before attending class. Also, students can return to the videos for further study to complement their notes. Number 4, a lightboard allows you to reach auditory and visual learners. Auditory learners learn best when they hear the content. It's not enough for them just to read textbooks and review PowerPoints. Visual learners need to see the information to truly absorb it. The more the content stands out with graphic depiction and color, the better. And finally, number 5, lightboarding allows you to create high quality presentation of content. You'll be able to create dynamic content easily and continuously without time-consuming post-production editing. So those are all the great reasons to use a lightboard. I hope the information I've shared with you inspires you to try out a lightboard in your online classes and take your teaching to the next level.